Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Aperture. In this video we are going to see how to submit our tax information on YouTube. In recent days you might have observed a notification on the top of your YouTube channel or maybe a notification in AdSense account to submit your tax information. If you don't submit, then as per the US rules, 30% of your direct revenue from YouTube or AdSense will be deducted. If you provide the required details and choose the relevant options, then according to different percentage you can claim the treaty. For example, if you don't provide the information, 30% or 24% will get cut. If you provide relevant information, there will be deduction of 15% or maybe zero in some cases. We will see in the form while filling up the tax information. So let's get started. Here in the dashboard, this is YouTube dashboard, and as you can see, it is a final reminder, submit your tax information. If you click on this submit tax info, it will take you to a documentation where you can read all the details, but here we are going to fill up the form live for my YouTube channel. Let's go to AdSense dashboard. Here is also there is a notification, and click on manage tax information. This button will open up a form. So here it's showing an option to add tax information. Click on add tax info. It will ask you to log in for some security reason. Enter your password and click on next. Here you need to select individual because you are an individual and not a business. Maybe you are running a business like as an organization you are running the YouTube channel, so you can select non-individual, but here I am doing it as individual. And are you a citizen of United States? So I'm selecting no because I'm from India. Here you will get two options to fill up two form. The first one is relevant for me because I'm non-US individual and would like to use to claim tax treaty benefit. So I'm selecting the first option, but if relevant you can choose the second one. You can click on start W8BEN form. Click on this button and it will open some more text fields to enter the details. Here you need to provide the name of the individual, so I'm providing the name on which this account is registered, and then you need to select the country, and then you will need to provide foreign TIN. Foreign TIN is nothing. If you are an Indian, then this is simply the PAN card number you have. If you go to PAN card website, it shows you that it's your it's TIN and SDL website, so it's just your PAN number. So many people get confused here. So just enter your PAN number and then you will need to click on next. Click on next. Then you need to provide the address detail. Make sure this is the same address provided in your AdSense account before. So, and if your permanent address is same as that of correspondent address, then select this box and continue filling the form. Fill up the address details, select your country and state, and then click on next and check if postal address is same as that of permanent address. Now you will need to fill something related to tax treaty. So are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under tax treaty? So we are claiming that, so click on yes. Here check on this checkbox, resident of country, so you need to provide India here. Then you need to claim the treaty under which for which services like AdSense or the content part. So here select the article 7 because these rules are mentioned in this article, and select the percentage as 0 for the first one and check this checkbox. Then select this motion picture and TV royalties. Here select article 12 and withholding rate of lowest one, that is 15%, and check this checkbox to agree to this. Then other copyright royalties, check this one and select the article or paragraph, and withholding rate as minimum, that is 15%, and check this checkbox to agree the terms, and then you will need to click on next. This is the final form preview that we have filled up. You can click on it, download it, and verify it. And then you need to confirm it. So this checkbox is to verify or confirm that all the details provided are correct. Check this one and click on next. Please do verify all the details. The last one is the certification part. You need to sign here with your full name, and you need to select the first option, that is yes, I am the person listed in the signature section and completing this form on my own behalf. So I am the person, so I'm selecting yes. Click on next. So has the individual or entity identified in the text identity section performed any activities services Google within US? So I have not performed that any activities in US with Google, so I'm doing no and confirming it. Status change affidavit. This section tells you if you have done any changes in the payment method since January. So here I am choosing the first one. I am providing tax information for an existing payment. So I have received the payment for my previous thresholds. So since I have received payment before, so I'm checking the second option. And then I'm also checking the checkbox here because from January 2020 I have changed the bank account in which I used to receive money from AdSense. So I'll be checking this checkbox and providing the details like what I have changed. So I have changed my bank account, so I'll be providing those details in the changes section. So check this one and provide the details of changes you have done. In my case, I have changed my bank account in which I used to receive payment. So here I'll be putting all those details. Once done, you can simply submit. Click on submit. Once submitted, it will show you the final page, and as you can see the status is already approved. So we didn't face any issues, it's all approved. So you can just follow this demo and fill up the information as an individual. But if you have any queries or face any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll try to reach and reply all of your queries. Thanks for watching.